Marmalead has rolled out some exciting new features that are revolutionizing the way Etsy sellers optimize their listings. And the results are pretty impressive. So let's take a closer look. Hey everyone, I'm Dylan from Marmalead. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're thrilled to dive into the latest suite of Marmalead features that are set to redefine the way you optimize your Etsy listings. With our team's efforts and innovation, these new tools integrate the power of AI to transform how you engage with buyers while streamlining your everyday tasks in Etsy. Let's dive into these updates and discover how they can help kickstart the success of your Etsy business. To kick things off, let's talk about the new AI-powered Marmalead. We all know that listing descriptions are crucial for Etsy's success. They let your buyer know more about your product, and an optimized description helps your listings appear in Etsy search results and even on Google. Well, Marmalead now offers AI-driven stats for your product descriptions to help you understand how well you are optimizing your listings. Take a look here. The AI analyzes your descriptions, highlighting key metrics like unique keywords, keyword density, and even runs a spell check. Now, there's no more second guessing if your description is well optimized or if you need to dial it in just a bit more. And it gets even better with our new listing description critiques. Watch how Marmalead suggests enhancements to your current listings, making them more search engine friendly for Etsy's algorithm. Crafting the perfect Etsy listing description is now easier than ever. Now onto something really cool, automatic FAQs for your products. With this feature, you can anticipate the needs of your customers based on your listing details. It's like having a crystal ball for customer service. Next up, let's talk about Marmalead's newest feature to help you understand your customers better. Customer voice. This tool is like having an insider access to your market. It analyzes customer reviews from the top listings on Etsy, giving you a wealth of insights to improve your own products. Pretty cool, right? Understanding the customer preferences has never been this straightforward. I want to take a moment to thank you for tuning into the Jam by Marmalead. Marmalead helps guide you to keywords that real Etsy shoppers are using, so you can get more sales doing what you love. Check out Marmalead in the link in the description or at marmalead.com. Now, we're not just stopping there. We've also updated our user experience to offer new insights that will change the way you use Marmalead moving forward, like this product age graph. It shows how new and old listings are performing, giving you a better idea of the market dynamics for your product. And for those wondering about digital versus physical products, this new breakdown categorizes listings, helping you figure out where you stand versus what's available in your market. Finally, our expanded trend details offer even deeper insights into search, engagement, and competition, whether or not it's decreasing or expected to increase in the future. The main reason we all use Marmalead in the first place. Well, that's a wrap. We hope you're excited to check out these new features. These tools are game changers for Etsy sellers looking to optimize their listings and stay ahead of the curve. Stay tuned for a closer look at each of these tools and click the link below if you want to give them a shot for yourself. Don't just take our word for how well these tools will improve your Etsy selling experience. Give it a shot for yourself. And if you have any questions, post them down in the comments below or reach out to Marmalead's support team. We're here to help you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more ways to improve the way you sell products on Etsy. Until next time, keep on crafting, and as always, have a nice day.